Hey everyone, this is Rami Raiden, and in this video I'm sharing with you how to create a payment link inside Mastermind Business Hub and send it to your clients. And this is a very useful tool that inside of Mastermind Business Hub, where you can share a payment link for a product for a full price, or if you have a payment plan. Also, you can do this in Stripe unless you have a subscription, but I'll show you how to do it inside Mastermind Business Hub to take also a payment plan. If you have a service, you want to offer a payment plan for it, how to do that. So let's get started. So from here, from the dashboard, when you log into Mastermind Business Hub, you go here on payments. Once you press on payments, you have here all the menu for the payments, for orders, subscription, payment links, transaction, products, coupon, settings, and more. All right, and here the integration when you connect your your Stripe account or PayPal. But for the payment links, there's this tab here, the payment link, where you press it, and here where you create a payment link. But before doing that, you need to create a product and for that payment link, because whenever you choose to have a payment link, you need to select a product. So if you have different offers or customized service like I do for my clients, I have different prices, and most of the time I do payment plans. So I need to create a custom product every time I want to send a payment link. So what I do, I go to products from here, and here I create a new product. Okay, so I'm just want to do test product payment plan. So I want to show you here how you add also a payment plan. This is the name of the product, and here you can write the description. You can also upload a photo, like a thumbnail for the product if you have it. So I'll do this for mine, and here you can have product collection. You can create different collection for the products if you have more than like 3 or 4 and you have collection for them. Here you set up the tags. If you want to collect tax, yes or no, but my global settings say no, because I do service, I don't charge tax on service. And here is the whole work for the price. So here you have the option to do one time, all right? Or if you press on it, it said recurring. So if you do one time, you want to charge, you have your service or product for, like, for example, 2,500, you just simply put the price here. And if you want to do also compare price to show the original price before the discount you gave, you can also compare it here. But I want to share with you how you do the recurring plan, which is more important for a payment plan. So if you choose this here, if you want to divide, for example, this payment, you have a product of 2,500 and you want to divide it into 2 payments, what you can do here 1,250 and do monthly or weekly. It depends how you make the agreement with your clients. And then here you can set up the number of payments. So number of payments, if I want to collect 2,500 in 2 months, so I'll put 1,250 for each month, and here number of payment, I'll make it 2. All right. And here, if you want to track inventory, you can check this if you're selling physical product. But for me, it's a service, so I don't need to track inventory. So also, if you have setup fees, you can add it here, and it will generate that to it too. Then once I'm done, because I'm gonna use this as a private, so there's no need for SEO engine listing. But if you have a product that you sell on your store or course or something, I prefer you fill all these information here. But for now, because we're just using a payment link, I need to have the product name, if you want the product description, the thumbnail, and the price if it's the type recurring or one time. After doing that, I press save, And now I have the product ready. Okay, if I go back to my product, so here it is. That's the product, $12.50. That's the payment, the first payment. So now if I go to payment links, I can create a new payment link, and here on the left I start by selecting the product. The product I just created was this one. That's the product payment plan. All right, and here you have the option to adjust require customers to add a phone number if you want to collect phone number or collect address or allow coupon codes. You can do that too. And then here you can have the branding with your company name and the terms and conditions. Once this is ready, you will notice here payment mode. It's on live because I use Mastermind Business Hub to collect payments. So it's live, but you can always use the test mode to test it. And here, once everything ready, this is what the customer gonna see. Gonna see your company name or your website name, your brand name, and the product name, and the total $12.50 per month. Okay. And if there is a product description, they will see it here. And then they get to put their information here. And once ready, you can do preview to see it. Okay. And preview, I guess, saving your payment link first. Okay, so I need to save it first before doing preview. I'll do save. And now I can do preview. Okay. And the pop-up window will appear. And this is the preview. This is what your client will receive when you send them the payment link. Okay. Now, after I'm done, I can press here copy or send, and this is very nice feature. If you press copy or send, you can send it right away to your contact, and you just select your contact list from here. Or you can simply if you want to send it to your contact, you can send it by email and SMS if you have set up your SMS setting and have a phone number connected to Business Hub. If not, you can just choose the email alone. And then you put the subject here, and if you have a template for that, you can choose it from here. If not, simply copy the link and do like that. Copy link. All right. You can get also personalized payment link for a contact. So if you have a contact, let me have my name as, okay. If I do customized payment link for a client, so what will happen, I can copy it. I'll show you the preview. It will fill his information right away. You see? It filled my information in that link, and he just put the credit card or Apple Pay or use the bank or Cash App, whatever he chooses, and it will be ready to pay. So you can copy that link. Again, let me go here. Copy that link. This link, it's blank. He filled the information, or this link more customized with his name. Copy that link, send it by email. And this is how you're sending your payment link. All right. Hope this video works for you. You try it and let me know. Thank you.